Power in motion. Beauty at full speed. Revuelto. In 2.5. Speed made visible. The Lamborghini Revuelto, a symbol of power and precision reborn. A cockpit crafted like a fighter jet. Power at your fingertips.
Once, or disappeared in the air. Every contour engineered to slice the air with elegance.
Century. Forged alloy precision meets stopping. Power perfection.
The sound of freedom. An orchestra of combustion.
Wow. Precision handling defines every corner.
Advanced digital intelligence fused with pure instinct.
Impressive environments during the Infinity Pressure Magic setting, which altered them to be might be a Sony Charger, or even be another carbureted English express Revuelto. I had to make the ridiculous seal. The warrior veterans the boat, braced as it could readily in this effect.
Every detail handcrafted, Italian artistry perfected.
Power in motion. Beauty at full speed.